How do I sell Bitcoins in Newton? Intro. Hey there, you just made a killing on your Bitcoin investment. You're sitting at home, counting the digital cash, when a sudden thought hits you: how do I turn these digital coins into cold, hard cash? Hook. That's where Newton comes in. But before we dive into the specifics, let's take a step back and understand what Bitcoin is and why selling it might be a smart move. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates on a blockchain network. Think of it as digital gold, but with more volatility. It's a store of value, a medium of exchange, and a speculative asset. And like any investment, there are times to buy and times to sell. Why sell your Bitcoins? There are several reasons why you might want to sell your Bitcoins. Perhaps you need the cash for a down payment on a house, to pay off debt, or simply to take profits. Maybe you're concerned about market volatility and want to lock in your gains. Whatever your reason, Newton offers a simple and secure way to sell your Bitcoin. Understanding Newton. Newton is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. It's a popular choice among Nigerians because of its user-friendly interface, low fees, and reliable customer support. Steps to sell Bitcoins on Newton. Create an account. The first step is to create a Newton account. This is a simple process that requires you to provide your basic information and verify your identity. Fund your account. Once you've created an account, you need to fund it with Nigerian Naira. You can do this using various methods, such as bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Place a sell order. After funding your account, you can place a sell order for your Bitcoin. You'll need to specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell and the price you're willing to accept. Confirm the sale. Once you've placed your sell order, you'll need to confirm it. Once confirmed, Newton will match your sell order with a buyer's buy order. Receive your Naira. Once your Bitcoin has been sold, the proceeds will be credited to your Newton account in Nigerian Naira. You can then withdraw the Naira to your bank account. Security tips. When selling Bitcoins on Newton, it's important to prioritize security. Here are a few tips to keep your account safe. Strong password. Use a strong password that is difficult to guess. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Enable 2FA to add an extra layer of security to your account. Secure storage. Store your Bitcoin private keys in a secure location. Be wary of scams. Be cautious of phishing scams and other online threats. Fees and taxes. Newton charges a fee for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. The exact fee may vary depending on the trading volume. It's important to factor in these fees when calculating your profits. Additionally, you may need to pay taxes on your cryptocurrency gains. The tax laws in Nigeria can be complex, so it's recommended to consult with a tax professional. Customer support. If you encounter any problems or have questions while selling your Bitcoins on Newton, their customer support team is available to assist you. You can contact them via email or live chat. Conclusion. Selling Bitcoins on Newton is a relatively simple process. By following the steps outlined in this video and taking the necessary security precautions, you can safely and efficiently convert your digital assets into cash. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.